Okay, today we will discuss about drugs used in asthma. So there are four category of drugs which are used in the treatment of asthma. We can recall it as BAAM, बाम. जब हमें एस्मा होता है तो डॉक्टर हमें एक बाम देता है लगाने के लिए, या हम खुद से विक्स वगैरह वेपोरप वगैरह लगाते हैं तो उसको बाम बोलते हैं, BAAM. तो उस निमोनिक्स के द्वारा हम ये पता लगा सकते हैं कौन कौन से ड्रग्स एस्मा में यूज़ होते हैं. ओके, so the first one is bronchodilators. This one, the bronchodilators is subdivided into three subcategories. The first one is beta 2 adrenergic agonist, and the second is methylxanthine, and the third is antimuscarinic. So in beta 2 agonist, okay, let me okay, so this is beta 2 agonist, adrenergic agonist. Okay, so there are three drugs which comes under it. The first one is salbutamol, terbutaline, and salmeterol. These all three come under beta 2 adrenergic agonist. Beta 2 adrenergic agonist means in our lungs there are some receptors named as beta 2, beta 1. So the most prominent receptor in our lung is beta 2, and the system governing these receptors is adrenergic nervous system. So the drugs which stimulates the adrenergic nervous system, especially on beta 2 receptors. So these drugs are called beta 2 adrenergic agonist. Example, you will be known to these drugs: salbutamol, terbutaline, and salmeterol. Okay, the second subcategory of bronchodilators of anti-asthmatic drugs is methylxanthine. The methylxanthine is a chemical structure. So it is divided into two drugs. The first one is theophylline and the second is aminophylline. And the third category under bronchodilators is antimuscarinic agents. In this category, there are two drugs: ipratropium bromide and thiotropium bromide. Okay, so हमने ब्रोंकोडायलेटर्स कवर कर लिया. ठीक है, जो हमारा फर्स्ट है एंटी एस्मेटिक ड्रग का बी, हमने बी पूरा कवर कर लिया. अब हम आते हैं ए पर. सो हमारा ए है एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी ड्रग्स. ओके, सो द एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी ड्रग्स आर ऑल्सो नोन एज glucocorticosteroids because the corticosteroids are the glands, adrenal glands. They are at medulla and cortex. One part releases glucocorticosteroids and the second releases corticosteroids. So the main reason for asthma is inflammation. When inflammation happens when inflammation occurs in lungs, in our air sacs, then we feel difficulty in breathing. So for overcoming that problem, we use anti-inflammatory drugs. And under anti-inflammatory drugs, there are three main drugs. The first one is beclomethasone, and the second is hydrocortisone, and the third is prednisolone. All these three drugs are given IM, IV, or orally as per the need of the patient. Okay, so the third number of our categorization, the first was bronchodilators B, the second is anti-inflammatory A, and the third is anti-leukotrienes. So there is a most prominent drug which are being used in the normal scenario, which is montelukast. So under which category montelukast comes? This drug. So it comes under anti-leukotriene drugs, and under the anti-leukotriene drugs there are two categorization. The first one is leukotriene synthesis inhibitor, and the second is leukotriene receptor antagonist. So the drug which inhibits the synthesis of leukotrienes, known as Zolutron or LT synthesis inhibitor, or the drug which acts opposite or which acts antagonist to the leukotriene. Let me first explain you the leukotriene. Leukotriene is a chemical messenger, just like TNF alpha. It is a inflammatory mediators, just like all other inflammatory mediators. So it causes inflammation in our body, in our air sacs, in our lungs. So for overcoming the inflammation that occurred in our lung, we need anti-leukotrienes. So in that category, a most famous drug is montelukast. Montelukast and the zaferlukast are the second drug which come under anti-leukotrienes. Okay, and the third one is and the fourth category of drug which come under asthma is mast cell stabilizers. So as you know already, mast cell stabilizers are the drugs which stabilizes the mast cell. Okay, so there are two drugs. There are two or three drugs. So most famous drug is sodium chromoglycate, and the second is chromoglycate. Sorry, the first one is sodium chromoglycate, and the second is nidocromel. Okay, nidocromel. I'm trying to write spelling of it. Okay, it is nidocromel. Ni do cro and the MIL. Okay, so so all you have learned the drugs which are used in the asthma, and the mnemonic is BAAM, BAM. Bronchodilators, anti-inflammatory drugs, anti-leukotriene drugs, and the mast cell stabilizers.